Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to join a home games club on Pokerstars and start playing with your friends. So hopefully you've received an invitation from whoever has set up the home games club. From there, make sure that you've copy and pasted the information, but go to your Pokerstars app on your computer. Unfortunately, this does not work on mobile devices at the moment, and go over to the home games tab, click into there, and from here you can actually, this is where it'll bring you to, you can see all of your different home games clubs that you have right here. And what you want to do is on the left hand side you can either create a club, but in this case we want to join a club, because whoever has set up your home games club has sent you the information, has sent you the codes that you need, the instructions that you need to join their club and start playing with them. So you press this button, join a club, and that brings up the option to type in the club ID, copy and paste it right in there, the invitation code as well, your name, and from there you can join the club. And after you do that, it should look something like this. So guys, once you actually join the home games club, this is what it'll look like right here. This is a club that I set up yesterday. And basically in the club lobby, what you can go down to is hopefully the person who has set up the club and who's the manager of the club has actually created a cash game option and a tournament to actually buy into. So you can go to obviously the club lobby, look down here, go into cash game, press this. This is a 6 max no limit hold'em game. You can take a seat and actually start playing at the poker tables with your friends. Or if you need to, you can go into the tournament, you can buy in, you can register and get a seat at the tournament in your home games club. From there, there's other things that are pretty useful. You can go to results, club wall, standings. You can see all the different members that are in this club as well. There's many different options from there. If you need to share the link to this club, you can use this, copy instructions, and basically send that via email or messenger or text, and other people can join the club that way. So anyway guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks.